Oh yeah, I was like, why is there so much French? And then I remember.
She's not half French, she's just legally half French.
Why?
People in Quebec are really powerful, I guess.
Ah. Canada's security is crazy. It's really so tight and streamlined.
It's the best one I've ever been to. Heathrow's horrible.
Yeah, there is no security there. They check the passport like just as you exit.
It's like people.
Yeah.
What do you think was happening?
Live and fight for life. I come out looking more oily, but it feels dry. Maybe my skin is overcompensating. Don't get scammed applying for the ETA thing. The first website. I mean, obviously, it's something that I'm like, obviously I know, but like
it sounds logical on paper, but like when it happens, you're not thinking about it like that.
Yeah, and I was stressed because I was like, oh my gosh, I'm flying in 2 days. I forgot to check like what requirements I have, and then I saw it. It was like can.eta. Like it was so legit, and it looked legit. And I ended up paying £65 instead of £7.
Crazy. Yeah.
Sad. I feel so upset I didn't see past that because I was at the checkout and it was like £65 plus £7, and I was like, okay, I know it's meant to be 7, and I was like, this must be a glitch. Check out.
You're like, oh, it'll work itself out.
Yeah. I was like,
out.
the website's gonna do it for me, obviously. Oh, your lights are yellow here. I am in Canada. I haven't said who I am. I fulfilled 14-year-old Debbie's promise to visit Jamobi. It took 9 years.
Nobody else visited, so well done.
Thanks. This is like a dual carriage. No, not dual, but this is highway for us.
I love it.
Oh my gosh, that's my postcard too. That's mine too. Whoa.
You can have this shirt.
Hey guys.
Oh my god. Do you want me to send you the video?
It's so white. No, it's okay. I got it here now. Good morning. So, I'm in Toronto. Mississauga, to be specific, to visit my high school friend. But I'm going to Knoxville today. In a few hours. Landed yesterday. Going to Knoxville today to visit my aunt. That's the plan. Oh, I guess these. Nope. Yesterday, met a bunch of Jamobi's friends. She's coming up. I'm having protein for breakfast. So salty. Yeah, I arrived like late afternoon. Cornbread. I'm just gonna eat it on its own as is. Oh.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
Interesting taste.
Different century. Different century.
So cute. My mom would love it. I'm now in Knoxville. I'm at my aunt's place. It is so nicely decorated. Let me just show you guys the vibe. I'm not gonna show too much obviously because it's not my house, but you can see it's just so tasteful. Culture shock so far. I didn't like cornbread as much as I thought I would, but maybe that's just restaurant experience. Biscuits, obviously fluffy, love it. Flash fried steak is good, crunchy flavor. I would definitely get a bit tired of it if I ate too much of it, but what we had was like a good amount. And the plane, when it lands, in my experience at least in the UK, people just stand, like people rush to get out. But here, like everyone's waiting, sitting down and just, I didn't realize this might have been like a culture thing. I mean, the first time I rushed, I was just trying to catch a connecting flight, which was very tight. And then the second flight, I saw the aisle was empty, took my bag and went forwards because I had no cabin bags. That skipped a few rows. I got some confused faces from people, and then I was thinking, have I done something wrong? Did I do something wrong? Went and read it. That's quite normal for people to wait for their rows. Like, it sounds so crazy how that's not common, but I've never experienced that. At least it's so orderly. So now I feel a little bit guilty but enlightened. But I don't regret going ahead first. Had a tech connection. I'm guessing they won't slander anyone who does it. Saying this to comfort myself, but yeah, I'm gonna knock out. We're gonna go downtown Knoxville tomorrow. Exploration. Guy. this view. Wow. Oh, okra. Just casually having a lake. America's crazy. Oh, okay. Look, little baby. Guys, I'm living such a country life. Come back.
They will come back. Yeah, we sit down here. They don't stay still very long.
No, they don't. Oh.
They'll chase each other. And he took. Bill's was on the bottom. Bigger than they usually get. They usually break off.
Really? Wow.
I was afraid that that's what I thought the storm would get.
So cute.
Work on them for a while.
Walnut tree. Let's go. Black walnut.
Black behind the.
There's so many. Oh.
I kind of knocked it down. You kind of need the hole.
Are you looking at my food?
Stronger. Here, let me get yours and Debbie's first. But she's making pictures.
So we went out for lunch, chatted, classic retirement life, and now we're gonna go to the mall to just get some gifts. Pretty cool day. Oh yes, seasoning. We got these two last time. We brought it back home. Lots of snacks. Got a very cute Trader Joe's bag. I was surprised that they pack for you. Like that doesn't happen in the UK.
Watch where you stepping.
Oopsies. Cute bag. I have a coin collection actually.
Oh really?
Yeah, last time I went to Jerusalem, I had some coins too. Hello. Just a check-in. You can tell I'm so tired because my eyes are bloodshot. I was writing my journal and I just realized in school I loved southern fried chicken. That was the one thing I would always get if it was on the menu. And now I'm in the place where they make the southern fried food. That's so insane to me. I feel like recognizing those little things makes it more enjoyable. Get southern fried chicken from where it's from. I'm gonna bang it out for the next week since I'm here. Felt like I was living American retirement life. Wow, it was perfect. The wind and the chimes, the lake, the views, blue sky, golden sun, hummingbirds, and blue heron, peacefulness, the company, the chit chat, spending a sunny afternoon. Felt like the Garden of Eden. It was lovely. And it's just so fun learning how different generations operate. The older generation who I was hanging out with in the afternoon, all well above their 70s. So many stories. To me, what really stuck out was how much they've been through. For example, stroke, heart attack, broken hip, all of these things. Talking about their friends and their family, like that one passed away, that one's still alive. I got this wheelchair, a friend who I talked to, but I'm not sure if he's still alive. It really is life and death. Obviously, we're not 70, but life is not guaranteed. It was just very insightful just listening to them talk. I'm so privileged to have experienced that moment. It's a slice of their daily life. Everything here is so spread out.
Yeah.
Like, you have to want to go to the place. For example, Taco Bell's is not like it's on the street or anything.
Right.
You have to actually want to go and drive there.
Art Market Gallery on Gay Street. Okay. If we can find.
It's a Christian song.
Yeah, Georgia Bulldogs. That's where I grew up, so that's what I always explored. Yeah.
American uni culture is so different. Because I know people do official invites to sororities, and I don't understand that because in the UK, if you want to join one, then you sign up. Here you have to interview.
Oh, really? I don't know.
I'm dressed like the American flag. I feel like I should take off my red, seeing a lot of orange. People get angry about this stuff. Proper orange, coded. This is how many people have worn orange. Exploring downtown. So many orange people. Yeah, it's like a jewelry vault. And this whole room, yeah. That's crazy. Heard so many stories.
So that tall building?
Is that it? Oh yeah. The lady that we met for lunch, she's an artist and her art is in this gallery, art market gallery. So I'm just trying to find it. So many cool things here. And the guy that we just talked to at the shop, he's so many stories. I love people's stories when I travel. Found her. Shady Brown. Go Queen. so crazy. So funny.
59 steps of sun.
Oh my Bojangles.
We walked it off today.
I'm literally trying every fast food chain. That's next. Culver's is next. Bojangles first, just so I can attest to Jolly's reviews. Bojangles time. So excited. So, got the grilled chicken. I wanted the Cajun, but I heard peach cobbler. Saw this on Jolly and it was meant to be really soft and buttery and fragrant. They had the fried one for the grilled one. Let's try. I'm excited. I'm scared to be disappointed. Okay, it's dry, but the chicken is so tender. Biscuit is fluffy. The buttery taste not as much as I thought, which is a good thing because there can't be too much. It's very Moorish, very Moorish. It looks so plain, but there's so much flavor. The chicken itself, for a good snack, that's like 7 or 8 out of 10. With some salsa and guac. I want more of the biscuit. I'm gonna try more of it. It tastes like soft, fluffy youtiao. Insert youtiao picture. That's what it tastes like. Peach cobbler. Oh, yikes. I'm gonna go get a spoon. Let's go. It's just the peach on top of a biscuit. The Jolly video said it was very fresh. Mine is not the same, but that's the whole experience, right? You can't always have it fresh. They have to show consistency. Sweet. Very sweet. If you don't like the McDonald's pie and the crispiness of it, which wouldn't make sense, why would you not? Then you would opt for this. I'll give this like a 4 out of 10. Doesn't this look like every hard the local church?
With little candles to cool them.
Yeah, and some Asian food, so. This is like old school Google search.
So the probably that says which one has
Right. Batman building? We did not read the wardrobe memo. To everything. This is like the first time I'm not trying something because I think I won't like it. Yay! I've been craving this. I wanted the boiling crab, but this is gonna work. Oh yeah, I'm gonna dip in the melted butter. Oh, I feel like you don't have enough. Are you sure? Oh no, it's falling apart. They don't dip this in, do they? It's just salad. It's okay. It's called Gugu and Jack. I can't believe that's the name of it. It has Gugu candy and Jack Daniels, because Jack Daniels is from Tennessee. No. It's just me versus this ice cream, trying to make it. That's crazy. I love produce. I don't like ducks here. I don't like the ducks. I don't like these tufts. Oak Bridge. Bomb. That's where we were. Y12. I just dove the duo in the heat. Getting gas stations always such a shock. I'm really confused getting this.
Bob will sing the
I'm excited. Texas cheesesteak burrito. The wrap is so soft. That's good. What a good petrol station.